Everyone thinks the best-selling onboard battery charger is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, NOCO Genius Gen 5 X2. First up is the NOCO Genius Gen 5 X2. Right off the bat, this onboard battery charger grabbed my attention with its compact design and impressive power. At $129.99, it's priced reasonably for those looking to keep their batteries in top shape. If you want a charger that works hard in tough marine environments, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 2 banks with 5 amps per bank, which means you can efficiently charge 2 12V batteries like your deep cycle or starter batteries. It even features selectable modes for different battery types: lead-acid, AGM, lithium, and even a repair mode. Honestly, the integrated thermal sensor is a game changer. It adjusts the charging based on the temperature, so you don't have to worry about overcharging in heat or undercharging in cold. Plus, the ability to charge batteries as low as 1 volt is a lifesaver for those deeply discharged batteries. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky due to its mounting system. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's actually pretty secure and can be mounted in any orientation. So if you're not a tech whiz, you might find the first setup a bit frustrating, but it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you own a boat and need a reliable charger that can withstand harsh conditions. Skip this one if you only have 1 battery to charge, as it's designed for dual battery use. For the price, you're getting some top-notch features here. Now, if the installation difficulty of the Gen 5 X2 bothers you, this next one from NOCO might actually be even better for ease of setup. Product number 2, NOCO Genius Gen 5 X3. Next up is the NOCO Genius Gen 5 X3. This one really stood out to me with its 3-bank setup and strong performance, priced at $189.95. If you're looking for a robust charger for multiple batteries, this is worth a serious look. Let's talk features. It provides 5 amps per bank and can handle 3 batteries simultaneously. Its selectable modes for 12V batteries let you charge AGM, lithium, and lead-acid, plus the unique repair mode is a nice touch. The integrated thermal sensor is there too, adjusting the charge depending on ambient temperatures, making sure your batteries get the optimal care. Now, some users mentioned that it might take a bit longer than expected to charge fully, especially if you're starting with low batteries. Here's the deal, while that can be a downside, the precision charging you get from this model means your batteries are being treated with care, which is vital for longevity. This is perfect for you if you have multiple batteries on your boat or you're really into maintaining battery health. Skip this one if you only need to charge 1 or 2 batteries at a time, as it might be overkill. But honestly, for the price and features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for more power. Product number 3, NOCO Genius GNPRO 10X2. Moving on to the NOCO Genius GNPRO 10X2. This charger really caught my eye at $224.95 with its powerful 20-amp capacity. If you want to charge your batteries quickly and efficiently, this one's definitely worth a look. This model has 2 banks with 10 amps per bank, which is a significant boost in charging power. It also supports all battery types, including lithium and AGM, and the selectable modes mean you're getting precision care tailored to your batteries. That thermal sensor adjusts based on temperature, preventing any battery damage from temperature fluctuations. And like the others, it can revive batteries down to 1 volt. Now, I did notice some users had issues with the size, as it's a bit bulkier than other models. But honestly, the power and efficiency you get from this unit make it a worthy trade-off for the size. If you have limited space, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you have multiple powerful batteries in your boat that need fast charging. Skip this one if space is a concern on your vessel. You really can't go wrong with the performance for the price. Now, if you need even more charging capacity, this next one is going to blow you away. Product number 4, NOCO Genius GNPRO 10X4. Next, we have the NOCO Genius GNPRO 10X4. At $424.95, this is a serious investment, but it packs a punch with a total of 40 amps over 4 banks. If you're someone who relies heavily on battery power and needs reliability, this is worth a serious look. The selectable charging modes make it versatile for any battery type, and the thermal sensor feature ensures optimal charging regardless of conditions. You can even charge from as low as 1 volt, which is a lifesaver if you let a battery sit too long. Now, the price tag is definitely a downside for some. I mean, it's a steep one. But if you require this level of performance, the investment can pay off in the long run by extending the life of your batteries. It's all about what your needs are here. This is perfect for you if you have a large boat with multiple batteries that need constant upkeep. Skip this one if you're just powering a small craft, as it's a bit overkill. But considering what you get, the value can really be there for serious boaters. Finally, if you don't need that much power, the last product is an excellent middle ground option. Product number 5, NOCO Genius GNPRO 10X3. Last but not least is the NOCO Genius GNPRO 10X3. Priced at $324.95, this 3-bank charger provides 30 amps total, making it a solid choice for those needing good power without going overboard. If you want something that balances power and price, this is worth a look. With 10 amps per bank, it's perfect for charging 3 batteries quickly. Like its counterparts, it offers selectable modes for different battery types and boasts that handy thermal sensor for optimal performance. You can charge batteries as low as 1 volt, which again is super helpful for those forgetful moments. Plus, the waterproof design means you don't have to worry about environmental factors. Some folks mentioned it could be a bit bulky, but honestly, when you consider the power and the multiple features, it's manageable and worth it for serious boat enthusiasts. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful charger but don't need the 4-bank options. Skip this one if you're only charging 1 battery, as it might be more than you need. Overall, you're getting great value for the features that come with it. So to wrap things up, we've covered the NOCO Genius Gen 5X2, Gen 5X3, GNPRO 10X2, GNPRO 10X4, and GNPRO 10X3. If you want a straightforward 2-bank option, go for the Gen 5X2. Need a 3-bank option? The Gen 5X3 is solid. Looking for power? Check the GNPRO 10X2 or GNPRO 10X4.